Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Mirage G4 vs Toyota Vios, which is better. Follow along as I break down key areas so you can choose the best fit for your daily needs. I'll cover performance, fuel economy, interior space, safety features, ownership costs, and driving feel. Expect clear comparisons, practical pros and cons, and a simple recommendation at the end to help you decide with confidence. Let's look at performance and fuel economy in plain terms so you know what to expect behind the wheel. The Mirage G4 offers lighter steering and modest power, trading brisk acceleration for impressive MPG numbers. The Vios provides a slightly stronger engine and steadier highway manners, making it more comfortable for longer drives. I'll compare typical fuel figures, daily driving feel, and which model suits your commute patterns best. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more honest car comparisons for you. Quick recommendation. On another note, I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make weekday lunches easy. Check the description for the link and special deals. Your support keeps content coming and helps other viewers discover this guide. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll compare interior space and available features so you can see which car fits your lifestyle. The Vios generally gives more passenger comfort and cargo capacity, while the Mirage G4 focuses on practicality and basic convenience. I'll point out key infotainment, comfort, and safety items to watch for when shopping. By the end, you'll know which features matter most and which trims give the best value for your budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.